conversation. Like,
Yeah, Didi. You remember that? You remember that?
yes, I remember. Why not? I remember.
Really?
Okay. So,
Who started,
hello.
sir?
Good
Who started,
morning.
Didi? Good morning. Good morning, Didi.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Didi. I am absolutely fine. And are you? And you?
Yes, I'm fit as fiddle. Thank you so much for asking me. And how was your day started?
My day is fabulous starting, like usual. And every day, my day is very fabulous and continue with my study. Every day going to
Okay.
start with my student.
Okay, that's great. It's wonderful. So, first of all, we can introduce ourselves first, and then after we will,
Yeah, ma'am.
rock our
Yeah, ma'am.
session.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, we will
Myself,
start.
Subhash. Yeah, ma'am. Myself, Subhash. I come from Odisha. I'm going from district. I am also a student. I continue my BD for educational profession. Then
Hmm.
hobby, my hobby is art, painting, making handcraft. Yeah, ma'am. It also. And you, ma'am, give me your introduction,
Okay.
please.
Yeah. We already meet, once. So this is our
Yeah,
second
ma'am.
conversation,
I know about
and
that.
yes, yeah. So I am Komal, and I belong from Gujarat state. Now I am living in Rajkot city, and I am homemaker. I have one son, and I am learning this language for my son. I am not looking for any job, and yes, I have completed Master of Commerce in accountancy. That's all about me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Didi, our
Hmm.
yesterday our main culture of in Odisha, Prathamashtami. This culture is only uh, older son of family, and then elder son we are new classes. My child also I also a older boy of my family. Then we are new classes, and he eats many type of different types of sweets like kakra, chakuli.
Okay, I don't know about that. Okay.
This is my new dress. How to get look my
Yeah.
diagram?
Yeah, it look good. It look good. Yeah, the color is too
Thank
good.
you, Didi.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Didi,
fabulous.
Didi, tell me, my style without glass is perfect. Yeah, without glass perfect. Without glass perfect. Which is better look?
I think wearing a glass is perfect.
Glasses. Thank you, Didi. My friend also wearing glasses perfect.
Okay, it's good. Okay. So, we can discuss about your hobbies.
Yeah, ma. My hobby also, you know
So,
that
first of all,
I
I
am an
want to
artist.
ask one questions. Like in your school time period, are you study bird? Like, are you fond of reading book, or are you interested in study or not? So, in your school time
I
period,
like
you
to
study
study.
bird?
I
Mm-hmm.
also like to study, and I like to teaching others, like my friends and other which have doubt any friend. I clear that in that of study. So in my
Okay.
hobby, in childhood is a hobby my teacher. It is because blackboard is my favorite. So how to
Blackboard
teach
is your
the
favorite. Okay.
favorite. So how to teach other and how to doubt clear of my friend. So this type of attitude in my childhood hobby.
So, any funny memories, if you remember, so you want to share with me about your childhood?
Remember in my childhood, I when my teacher studying the class, uh, then my teacher painting in bench in more of copy. Then after end of class, then sorry my teacher look at that look at picture. So my teacher, wow, look that is picture. So this type of fun moment of my life. In college time
Okay.
also my English ma'am teaching them. Then I painting in your interface. Then after
Mhm.
continue after end of my class, then sorry my English ma'am go also cover the page and take this.
Okay. Like, still, are you doing painting or not?
Painting I in the later time I do many painting. Then share with my family member. Then I wasted paper make a Jagannath. then painting them. I gave to my friend and
Okay.
waste
So
drinking bottle.
in your room, at a wall, you sticked any painting or not?
No, ma'am. I have I have make many types of crafts. Then also my one sister, married sister, go take this any type of painting, yeah, craft. Take this.
Okay, okay.
Next
Just
time
try to,
I next time
think
I
about
saw my home.
that. Try to think about wall painting.
One I have a painting. I have painting. Hmm.
Okay.
Wait, ma'am. I have painting. This is my fan picture.
Oh my God. It's
Only
really
pencil
done by
and
you. Yeah, it's look beautiful.
thank you, ma'am.
Oh
And
my God.
color painting. My color painting have no any handcraft like
Okay,
bottle or
yes. Yes.
my only one my married sister. Any craft have made done, then she take this in her mother-in-law house.
At her home. Okay. Always she takes your painting.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
because she likes your painting.
Yeah, in her
Yes.
mother-in-law house in showcase, but my craft in fulfill in the showcase, but
Okay, so I want to share one thing like, we have to respect our skill, and every person has no respect, every person has no, every type of skills. So if we by God gifted, we have, so definitely we have to utilize that our skill. We have to, we have to do more and more about, we have to do more and more work about our skills. So
hmm.
definitely we feel, proud of ourselves, and
Yeah,
our
ma'am.
mind is calm, and
Definitely.
we feel
I feel that
joyful.
very happy. I feel that very happy in that time.
Mhm.
Then I painting the rangoli in floor on the floor or
Yes.
dhoti in type of any culture program festival.
Mhm. Okay. Even I also like a rangoli because in Diwali time period we make a rangoli. Every person, make rangoli their home. Yes. So even I
So
also like a
I have a
rangoli.
rangoli. I have a rangoli painting. How to show in the mobile in a conversation.
I don't know about that. You send me a picture after this session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So right now, what are you doing?
I continue, I continue my PhD for a teacher profession, and one semester is completed, and the result is declaration of that. Then I got a board mark in this first semester. Then another second semester held on January. Then prepare for this lesson, notebook, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I want to, say something like your pronunciation is good, but I am facing little bit problem of understanding because because of your mother tongue. I think so.
Mother tongue is Odia.
Odia, yeah. So that's why it's a little bit different to understand because your mother tongue, their accent is coming while speaking.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Odia language is so good. Like this, my name is Kamal Hirani. My name is Kamal Hirani. Then Odia language is Mo Namo Kamal Hirani. Mo Namo Kamal Hirani in Odia
Oh,
language.
oh my God. Okay, that's good. Okay, so how you spend your weekend?
Weekend, I leisure time. I have a leisure time only Sunday. Then I continue my student with my continuous student and study tuition class morning and evening time. Then only have leisure time on Sunday. Then in this time I prepare my study well for BD. Then in leisure time, free time, painting, handcraft, etc. And moving with my friends. Then I
Okay.
did not like any moving market, shopping. I did not like that. I
Okay.
perfect in my
So do
home.
you like to read book? Do you like to read
Yeah,
book?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So how many books you completed?
We now I complete continue my bed, so time spent with my bed is chapter. Then come with held on January exam, my exam.
Okay. You already complete your study related book.
Yeah, ma'am. Then I prepare for teaching line job. So I prepare for teacher profession job or book or examination or aptitude book.
Mm-hmm. So, do you help your mother or not? While
Yeah, ma'am. I
doing the
also help my
household chores,
mother.
if your
I
mom
help
doing,
also my mother.
yeah. So, are you
Uh,
helping? Are you helping her or not?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Perfectly.
Okay, that's a good
Any
like
type of festival,
there is we
any
can't
type of
yeah we
any
can't
I help
partiality
my yeah, ma'am.
we can't say partiality like boy and girl. Boy can do these things and girl can do these things, like both are equal and both have to learn all the works. Okay, and what after marriage we have to we have to do everything with we can't say like we can't separate our work. We have to do work together, whatever our wife, like for example, if wife is doing cooking, so definitely we have to help in the like, while chopping, washing the dishes, whatever we like, we have to just
Uh,
give give
I
little
also
bit.
my help. I also my help to my mother, like making sweets or many different types of unique fast food like momo, chamen, or sandwich and veg roll. Then
Okay.
my mother
Mhm.
also like my type of momo making. She like also my momo.
Okay, so momos
I
is
did
your
not like
favorite dish?
I did not like non-vegetarian. So I irritated
Okay.
that because I did not want any hurt other animals. Then I did not like vegetarian. I'm pure vegetarian.
Yes, yes, I'm also hello.
No, huh, Didi?
So pure vegetarian. I don't like any non-veg food. Even I don't like the smell. Yeah, when we go outside, yes. When we go outside, so we are facing lots of problem of food because we can't,
I
adjust.
also, ma'am. Many times of in our home, so my mother called me about that how to do not eat non-vegetarian. I making other food to you. Then different type of food, other making food. Then non-vegetarian or vegetarian. Time taking too much making food. The many times I could call my mother. How? Why do not you eat non-vegetarian?
Okay, so your family members having they taking non-veg food.
Mhm.
Okay, only
Uh,
you are not taking.
yeah, ma'am. Only I am in family and don't like or don't eat non-vegetarian. Many times, believe me, Didi, any mosquito bites me, then it's not this type of weed. This type of weed. The mosquito don't kill the mosquito.
Okay, okay. It's a good day. Like we have to, we can't. Even I also don't like. We just, people are chopping the chicken, and I don't want to tell anything. But yeah, it's not a good thing. We doesn't have to,
Hmm.
take a non-veg food
Because
in our
uh,
daily life. Yeah.
I have also like then other small animal, yeah, big animal. Here, she also have, like then I do not hurt to other.
I want to say, like, if someone hurt us, so how we can feel? So they are not able to speak. So whatever we like, we have to do things with them. It's not a good thing. We
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
to animals or birds all are it's by God gifted. So we have to respect them. We have to we have to just give some food. We have to just give some water. So
Yes,
this is the thing. This is our it's our karma. I can say it's our karma.
yes,
We can't we can't how we can say like हमें उसको मारना नहीं चाहिए. Yeah.
yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Did what do you eat
So
in breakfast in the morning? What do you eat in breakfast in the morning?
no, I just took 1 cup of curd, and that's all. I'm not taking my breakfast because when if I take my breakfast, so I feel lazy. I don't want to do my work. So
Oh,
that's why I'm not taking my breakfast. I just want to sometimes, not every day, but sometimes I prefer some juice, some fruit, sometimes some fruits, and sometimes 1 cup of curd. Yeah.
my daily routine life is I take my breakfast in 8 a.m. Then I take my lunch 12:30 a.m. Then in the evening time 9 p.m. I take my dinner. That is finish my all
Okay.
eating food.
That's a good
Then
time.
I do
That's
not
a
like
good.
wet food like mm, roadside gupchup, chow mein. I do not like that. Homemaking food
Okay.
I like perfect.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, Subhas. So we can wrap up our conversation. I have another session, so
Thank
we
you,
will
Didi.
connect
Please
another day for sure.
Didi. Tell me, Didi. Please, I'm also a teacher. My student, any homework, give me my mark, give me my mark. How to uh, homework? Then you tell me out of 10, how to get with my conversation. You get mark 10.
Okay, I can say out of 10, I can say 6. Yeah, because we have to,
Yes,
work. We lots of vocab also, and we have to work also our grammar part. So definitely, yeah,
okay, Didi.
you
My
get
this
it.
my
Yeah.
problem only conversation. My conversation only one problem. How to tell one vocab or how to tell do not know. So how to tell that? It's my problem. Any word I have no. So how to this type of word use in this conversation? This is my only one problem.
Yeah, just we have to think. First we have to write some word, and then after we have to think. And whatever ideas in our mind, just we have to write this vocabulary in a sentence. Okay, use those vocab in
Okay,
a sentence while writing or while speaking, both the times. So this is a good way. I think there is another method. Yes.
then I will try. Then
Okay.
I see your conversation and many types of English conversation subtitles or title YouTube in my
Yeah.
going to bid for a bed.
Okay. Yeah, we have to sometimes we have to watch. Even I also watch sometimes with subtitle. So it's a good for understanding of what they saying. Okay,
Okay.
Subhas. So have a
Thank you,
great
Didi.
day and thank you so much
Thank
for
you, Didi.
connecting me. Bye bye.
Thank you, Didi.
Bye.